So I'll do the same pattern at the bottom, but I thought to change it up just slightly in the center here, I'm going to go ahead and use the larger. It's kind of this, it's the same style. This actually was a set. So I'm going to use one big one and two of the medium sized. Sometimes it's easier to remove the paste around your flowers or leaves rather than to try to pick up the leaves. So right in this, kind of in the center. Okay, before it dries out too much, I go ahead and I take this and do the veining. And then we'll do just a couple of those really small leaves. And vein those also. And then go ahead and take the royal. Now we are going to put a border on the bottom of this cake, at the bottom of each tier, so don't get too close to the bottom. Some people prefer to do the border first. It doesn't really matter, whatever you prefer. There's no reason, you know, that I'm waiting to do the border. I just decided to do the leaf part first. It's completely up to you. Okay, so we'll just do a real simple design like that. It just kind of breaks up the tiers a little bit. So I'll go ahead and I'll continue this one down here using the same size leaves as I did here at the top.